Alright, welcome back everyone. Today is all about crankbait fishing. And I actually just got done fishing. Caught a handful of fish today. And we started off with some kind of crazy bright neon green chartreuse crayfish pattern, Rapala DT-6. And did really well on it. I switched it to just this gray and black shad pattern, Rapala DT-6, but when I changed, I moved to the north end of the lake and the wind's coming from the north and did not get a single bite over here. So you guys will see the bank that's getting hit directly by the wind was where all these fish were today. So check it out. Yeah, let's get over here and try it. This is where some of the big bass are, especially when you got the wind blowing up against the bank like this. I always seem to pull one of them out of here. So I got this DT-6 on, little chartreuse crawfish thing. Something maybe grab their attention. Otherwise I got good old jig of plastic in the car yet too we can use. But I want to try this. Whew. Whew. All right, had a hit. Oh. There we go, big bass. Yeah, I knew I'd see one. Heck yeah, man. Woo! Oh, he's a beast. Yeah. Big old chubby dude. Yeah, corner of the mouth. What up, dude? Woo! That's what we're talking about. Oh, he's a big old one. That's perfect. Look at that. Got him good. Nice bass. Get a better look at him. All right. Hopefully we'll see another one, but that's a beautiful fish right there. Look at the colors on him, nice and dark. Yeah. I love that, man. This is a nice largemouth bass. Let's get him back. Whew. There you go, dude. Nice. All right. Yes, sir. He hit right by shore here. That's kind of cool. That's a massive fish. I don't know what it is. Oh yeah, another beast. Oh. Ah, is he bigger? I don't know, he might be bigger. Holy crap, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's really mad. He is really mad. Whew, that ain't quite bigger. He felt a lot bigger when I set the hook. That's why I said it was a massive fish. Very, very nice though. Oh yeah, bud. DT-6 right to the face. Right to the face. Fish number 2. We'll throw him back. Whew. And there you go. Thank you, sir. All right. Whew. Love it. Oh man, I love crankbait fishing. They're not really striking crazy hard. Just enough though. There's more than one in here for sure, so. There's just nowhere good to stand. Yeah. Oh yeah. So we got a little pike. Yeah. Figured we'd see one of these. Little pike. Wish you were your big brother. Jeez, these little ones are all over the place in here. There you go. Whew, 3 fish. 3 crankbait fish. I'm gonna say he definitely didn't hit like a bass. There's another fish. That's a bass. That's a bass right there. There we go. 2 casts in a row. Another nice one. Holy crap. Better lighten them up. Ooh-wee. Lighten them up today. Yeah. He ain't all that bad. Not a huge one. First and second bass were nice. This one's, you know, fun size. Woo. Wow. 2 bass and a pike. How about that? Crankbait fishing. How far that was. Alright, what do we got here? Ooh, stuff. There's a tree up. There we go. That's a largemouth. Oh my gosh. There, it's a big northern. I don't know. What is this? Big largemouth. Oh, another big one. Woo! Yeah, he's even bigger. I think he might be the biggest one of the day. Oh yeah. Holy crap, dude. Oh. Whew. This thing's a giant.
Can I take a picture of that? I want to take my dad down here.
Oh yeah.
That's nice.
That's my 4th one today.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. Jeez.
Hey.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Good job.
Yeah. Woo, DT right to the face. Holy crap. Woo. This might be my biggest bass out of here. Holy crap, look at that. A big female for sure. Whew. No doubt about it that they're fired up today. That is a freaking chunk right there. Man. Real healthy. Holy cow. Let's throw her back. Nice. See you later. Oh yeah. Nice. All right, we're gonna keep fishing. This is turning out to be pretty sweet. Crankbaits, man. So there you have it. A pretty awesome day. It was only 5 fish, but considering the weather and the water temps and all that stuff, I'd say this is definitely a win. And besides that little pike, they were all really nice quality largemouth, and that's exactly what I was looking for. This is actually my first time getting the casting rod out yet this year, and got it on my crankbait rod. So it feels good to catch a nice healthy fish on those DT-6 lures. Love these things. So many more days like this to come. We're just getting into the meat of the springtime bite. So they're pre-spawn mode, so they're all hungry and feeding up. But if you like today's episode, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, please subscribe. We will see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.